Hello students, this is our English grammar and today we will start with collective nouns. You all must be aware of collective nouns. We have studied about the collective nouns in English grammar. So we will just revise it once again. Now see, read what happened yesterday. My father entered the house. He left his bunch of keys on the table. Then he realized he had left the bunch of bananas on the car. He decided to go and get it. On the way, he met a group of people. They were all looking at the troop of monkeys in the tree. Speak aloud together the phrases in green. Do you think they refer to a one thing or a collection of things? Now, what are these collective nouns referred as? When we are saying about a noun means a name of any person, thing or place. But when we are talking about the group of nouns, if I am taking the flower, if one flower is there, it is the noun. But when the lot of flowers are there, more than one flower is there, we call it a bouquet of roses. See here. If one rose is there, we just simply call a one rose. But when the collection of roses are there, more number of roses are there, we call it a bouquet of roses. Similarly, there are many collective nouns. For keys, see here, keys. If one key is there, we just simply say a one key. But if there are more number of keys, we say it a bunch of keys. Bananas, bunch of bananas. People, group of people. We refer them as group of people. When more than two peoples are there, we refer as group of people. Monkeys, the group of monkeys are known as troop of monkeys. Understood? So, a noun that is used to talk about a collection. It is known as the collection of persons, animals or things. It is known as the collective noun. We will see some examples here. The bouquet of roses looks lovely. The herd of cows is grazing. See here, cows. Now group of cows are there. So what they are known as? Herd. H-E-R-D. Herd of cows is grazing. We gave the monkey a bunch of bananas. These are the bunch of bananas. We have a football team. See here, students are playing. When they are playing any sport, we say a team. We have a football team. The brood of chicks cackled in the barn. Now, which is a collective noun for chicks? Brood. Brood is the collective noun of chicks. Cackled, it is the sound made by the small chickens. A troop of soldiers march down the road. Soldiers, these are the soldiers. And what are the group of soldiers are known as? Troop of soldiers. The words in green are used for a group of objects, animals, birds or people of the same kind. A noun that is used to talk about a collection of persons, animals or things is called a collective noun. These are the examples: brood of chicks, a flock of birds, a bunch of keys, a herd of cows. Now let us practice. Read the list of collective nouns. Now we will read the list of collective nouns. Group of animals and group of things. How they are grouped? A flock of sheep, geese. Geese and sheep is both groups are known as flock. Things, a bunch of bananas, a bunch of grapes, a bunch of keys. These three things are having the same collective noun, bunch. We can refer them as bunch of bananas, bunch of grapes, bunch of keys. Herd. H-E-R-D, herd. We have referred herd to the cows. Which are the other nouns that are referred as herd? Herd of deer, herd of cattle, herd of elephants, herd of goats, herd of buffaloes. These are the animals and their groups are known as herd. A colony of bats, a colony of termites, a colony of ants. Now what are termites? They are the insects, small insects that eats wood. Wood means you must have seen in the furnitures also small insects are there. They just bite the wood. A colony of bats, termites and ants. Group of ants is also known as the colony. Group of termites is known as the colony. Now school of dolphins, school of whales. You all must have seen the dolphins and whales and the groups of them are known as school. See here, school. School of dolphins and whales. You just have to remember all these things. An album of stamps, an album of photographs. What we call the group of photographs? Album. A litter of kittens, a litter of puppies. A pride of lions, a shoal of fish. Fish, small fishes, when they travel in the group, they are known as the shoal of fish. A parliament of owls. Owls, when they are in group, they are known as the parliament. A swarm of bees. Honeybees, you all are aware of honeybees. Their group is known as swarm. A pack of wolves. A set of napkins. These are the things. Set of napkins, set of tires, set of dishes, set of books, set of bowls. Bowls that are used in the kitchen. A bundle of sticks, a bundle of clothes, a bundle of newspapers, a bundle of envelopes, a bundle of books. A pack of cards. Now see here the word is repeated, pack. Pack is also used in the animals, that is pack of wolves, and it is also used in the things, a pack of cards. A pile of books, a pile of dishes. Dishes, when the dishes are arranged on the one another, they are known as the pile of dishes. And when dishes are said, that you all must be knowing, when we buy a dish, they come in the set. So we just say the set of dishes. But when we go to any party or any occasion, the dishes are arranged in the piles, one above another, one above another. So that is known as the pile of dishes. Now groups of people. Now how the groups of people are identified? See, if students are referred, we call a class of students. Players, a team of players. Robbers, a gang of robbers. People, a crowd of people. Soldiers, a troop of soldiers. Now see, this troop is again used in people, but it was also used in the animals, that is monkey, a troop of monkeys. A troop of dancers or singers. This troop is different and this troop is different, but the pronunciation we call it troop of dancers and singers. So you understood the collective nouns. So you just go through the questions and try to solve the answers. Question number 2 and question number C. Let us listen carefully to the poem and circle the correct collective nouns. This also you can do. So try it and work with your partner Complete the sentence using a collective noun each. Then together read out your sentences to the class. First of all, see what are the sentences. I went to the market and saw a dash. I looked at the sky and saw a dash. What we can see in the sky? Which group are seen on the sky? You have to write here. We went to a farm and saw. Farm. When we go to farm, which animals or which collective nouns we can see? You have to write here. We went to a forest. In forest, you have to write here. I look up at the branches of a tree and saw. You have to write this also. I look up at the branches of a tree. Branches of a tree. Which are the animals that hang on the branches of a tree? You have to write here the collective noun of each sentences. So write it and show me.